Is XRP about to become the world's CBDC, or central bank digital currency? I'm going to get into that. But first, please like, subscribe, check us down below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts, portfolio. You get to see what we are doing during this bear market. We are doing a lot. Okay, so I hear time and time again that XRP or Ethereum is going to be a CBDC. It's going to be a central bank digital currency. No, it's not. Okay? First off, the Federal Reserve right now is using part of its entity called FedNow and using XRP as a bridge currency. So they are testing this stuff out, making sure it's perfected, and then they are going to implement a CBDC. Okay, so they need it to be perfected right now. So what is FedNow? It's pretty much a layer where individuals and businesses can send money pretty much instantaneously into deposits. So why are they building their own CBDC instead of using XRP or some other thing? Well, first off, XRP and Ethereum are way too transparent for a CBDC. What is a CBDC? It stands for Central Bank Digital Currency. And what is it different? What's different about it than regular fiat money or currency? What's different about it is they have full control over your money. That means every cent that you have of a CBDC is not yours and can be shut off at any time. Central banks can put a expiration date on your CBDC like they've done in China, put an expiration date on it. So people are forced to go ahead and buy goods, which spurs the economy. Crazy, but this is actually what is going to happen. Keep in mind that XRP is going to be a very significant part of a CBDC in my opinion, because Brad Garlinghouse, who is the CEO of Ripple, is a board member or is a member of the World Economic Forum, which is owned by central banks and runs pretty much the world, as you guys probably already know by now. So why don't I think that XRP is going to be a central bank digital currency? Because central banks are going to build their own, all right? They're going to use the technology of Ripple, they're going to use the technology of blockchain, and they're going to create their own closed source network where nobody can actually see what is going on. So right now, it's being developed fast, right? And companies like Ripple are definitely speeding up the process because they've been around the game for much longer than the government has been around in the blockchain game. So yeah, it's going to be really interesting to see what happens, but I think XRP is definitely going to thrive because of it. And I also think that ETH is going to be thriving as well because central banks need both entities, in my opinion. And keep in mind that there's some people that are working for ETH that are involved with the World Economic Forum as well, which is kind of disappointing. It's very disappointing. But, you know, keep in mind that they're not going to be actually using that. They're not going to be using ETH or XRP. So what they're going to do is they're going to use it as a blueprint of what they could build for themselves, okay? They'll never use anything else that they don't have full control of. Keep that in mind, regardless of what anybody tells you. That is the truth. Okay, that's all I have. Please like, subscribe, and I will talk to you later.